You who have played sports, and if you haven't played sports, for those of you who have had grades in school, this one will be especially helpful. In our society, we fixate on the score. Now, that's exactly what I don't want you to do, okay? A lot of times, and the reason I thought of this is because I play a lot of poker online. And a lot of times, when people play poker, they think that the good players are the ones with a lot of chips. But that's not the case necessarily. I mean, you could just get lucky. And yet, you could be the person who's down hundreds, and you could actually be the person who's actually good. And that's the most important thing. Okay? One of my favorite definitions of is success is a direct, it is self satisfaction, which is a direct result of knowing you put in the best effort to become the best that you can become. And it's similar to Earl Nightingale's definition. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. The score is important, but if you won and you didn't put in the best effort to become the best that you can be, then that doesn't make you a winner. You're still a loser. That's according to John Wooden's definition. Okay, so I want you to, whatever your goal is, in this case, a lot of people are trying to earn money, but whatever your goal is, keep score. But remember, the most important thing is how good you're becoming, and you can control that. You can't always control the score, but you can control how good you are becoming by controlling the effort that you put in. Okay? And this will help you when times are tough, when you're frustrated, maybe things aren't going your way. You got to remember, it's not about the score. You are a success when you put in the best effort to become the best that you can be. And in due time, the score will slowly but surely, over the long term, not in fast spurts, but over the long term, it will reflect who you are and this person that you are becoming.